Top 10 best 9mm handguns for women. Both defense and conceal carry weapons. CCW. 10. Sig Sauer P238 compact, swappable X-Series grip frames. Excellent X-Series trigger. Optics ready. 9. Walther PDP. Optimized for red dot use. Modular system allows you to customize your pistol. Larger mass can be more manageable for new shooters. Large capacity. 8. CZC 75P01. Incredible trigger. DASA. Very accurate even with fixed sights. Perfect for home defense or even competition. 7. Ruger Max 9. High capacity, redundant safety features. Very concealable, good factory sights, but also optic ready. 6. Walther PPS. M29mm LE Edition. Crisp, smooth trigger. Easy to conceal. Shoots surprisingly comfortably for a gun of this size. Great factory sights, but also optic ready. 5. Glock 43X. Compact size grip gives extra capacity and grip. Incredibly reliable like all Glocks. Easy to modify and customize. Springfield Armory Hellcat. High capacity, especially relative to its size. Highly reliable, crisp trigger pull, easy to operate. 3. Glock G19. Gen 5 MOS. Most customizable, upgradable handgun on the market. Incredibly reliable. Slide is milled for an optic. 3 automatic internal safeties to prevent accidental discharge. Smith-Wesson MP Shield EZ. Designed to be easy to use, easy to conceal, adjustable rear sight, Picatinny-style rail. Sauer P238 XL. Nicely balances size and capacity. Optic ready. Great factory sights. Good value. There you have it, friends. Stay safe.